Hi, my name's Mitch Ferguson, and I'd like to thank, or not thank, but don't start, Callum Ferguson for nominating me for the ALS Challenge. Although I'm allergic to cold water, I'm prepared to take this challenge on as I will not back down. I would also like to nominate New Australian Netballer Claire McMiniman and Emma Coppin, gorgeous Emma Coppin up in Cairns, and bride-to-be Jenny O'Connor for the challenge. Good luck, girls. Wait. Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, you missed!
I wasn't ready.